Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your PlayStation 4 without signing in. So if you forgot the password or the passcode and you want to factory reset your PlayStation, this is actually really easy to do. Let's hold down the PlayStation button on our controller and then open up the power menu here and go to turn off. We want to completely turn off our PlayStation 4. We do not want to enter rest mode, so let's go to turn off PS4 and it's going to shut down. Now what we want to do is go to the front of our PlayStation 4 and plug in a USB to micro USB cable and plug in our controller so we can operate the safe mode menu. Then our PlayStation 4 will completely shut down and we know it's going to be turned off when there is no light on the top here. Then hold down the power button. We will hear one beep initially, and then about 10 seconds later we will hear another beep indicating it's launching into safe mode. Then we can let go and go to our PlayStation 4 controller and press the PlayStation button. Then we can operate the safe mode menu with the D-pad and we can select it with X. Now under this screen we do have the option to go to restore default settings. The settings will be returned to the default values. Now we won't erase any game data doing this, so all our games will still be on our PlayStation, but we're going to have to re-sign into our PlayStation with our username and our password for our account. So you have this option if we want to restore the default values without losing anything. Then we do have option number 6, initialize PS4. This will completely factory reset our PlayStation, and we just have to go to yes. All the data on our PS4 will be completely deleted. Also, we have option number 7. So if we go to PlayStation.com, we can plug in a USB stick to our computer and then download the latest firmware onto the USB stick, and then plug it into our PS4 and come to this section and we can go to OK. And as we factory reset our PlayStation, we can also update the system software or just apply a fresh copy. So if there has been some catastrophic error on our PlayStation, this should go ahead and fix that issue. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.